Hello friends, this is Hitachi. Today's topic is Annexure A Control 16, Information Security Incident Management. So let's get started. A16.1, Management of Information Security Incidents and Improvements. What does the objective of ISO 27001:2013 standard say? It says to ensure a consistent and effective approach to the management of information security incidents, which include the communication on security events, how to communicate the security events, that is the workflow, and the weaknesses. Incident management lifecycle. It consists of the following phases. First phase is preparation. We need to prepare for the incidents, the detection and analysis. Detect and analyze the information security events or incidents that have occurred. Containment, eradication, and recovery. According to the incident's response, you need to either contain the incident, you need to eradicate the incident, or you need to recover from the incident. After the incident is either eradicated, contained, or recovered, you need to perform an post-incident activity to get the system back to normal. A16.1.1 Responsibilities and Procedures. What does the control specify? The control specifies that management responsibilities and procedures shall be established to ensure a quick, effective, and orderly response to information security incidents. So, the first phase, that is the preparation phase, involves the identification of resources which are needed for incident handling. And you need to train the individuals so that they are ready to respond, and by developing and communicating a formal detection and reporting process. There should be a basic reporting and detection process which is followed in the company. Incident responders should preserve digital evidence relating to computer crimes, which provides the foundation for conclusions and decisions relating to an incident. So, the digital evidence should be preserved. You can then configure the systems with evidence preservation in mind. You need to purchase the necessary equipment and train at least one individual to handle the incidents and use the tools for recovering and examining the data. A16.1.2 Reporting Information Security Incidents or events. The control specifies that information security events shall be reported through appropriate management channels and as quickly as possible. The detection and reporting, they are the important phases in the information security incident handling. All the members of the community, they are trained for first, procedures for reporting failures, weaknesses, and suspected incidents. How to escalate the reporting appropriately. The process should provide clear ways for users to communicate events. That is, either you should communicate in form of organization's intranet or a phone line or through email or through an instant messenger. 16.1.3 A16.1.3 Reporting Information Security Weaknesses. The control specifies that employees and contractors using the organization's information systems and services shall be required to note and report any observed or suspected information security weaknesses in systems or services. An effective approach is to use analysis tools to help manage intrusion detection systems and summarize the data. Now, the intrusion detection systems they are generally of two types, that is HIDS and NIDS. Abbreviations: Host Intrusion Detection System and Network Intrusion Detection System. Communicating security alerts through an interface, that is through UI, the system administrators use to monitor status, performance of the systems. They increase the likelihood that they will notice the problems very quickly. A16.1.4 Assessment of and Decision on IS Events. The control specifies that information security events shall be assessed and it shall be decided if they are to be classified as information security incidents. The identification and prioritization of incident stage, it involves the timely assessment of the situation, which can be classified into simple steps. These steps are: first of all, determine the scope or impact, assess the severity of the incident, assess the urgency of the event. In the containment stage, assessment of the following needs to be done. Does the system need to be removed from the network? Are there user accounts or system level accounts that need to be disabled or changed? A16.1.5 Response to IS incidents. The control states that information security incidents shall be responded to in accordance with the documented procedures. So, eradication of the problem and associated changes to the system need to be applied. This includes technical actions such as operating system and application software should be installed, new or changed firewall rules, custom configurations applied, databases created, backup data restored, accounts created, and access controls applied. A16.1.6 Learning from Information Security Incidents. The control states that the knowledge gained from analyzing and resolving information security incident shall be used to reduce the likelihood or impact of the future incidents. To learn from incidents and improve the response process, these incidents they must be recorded, and every time an incident occurs and you either eradicate, contain or recover the incident, thereafter a post incident review it must be conducted. Now, what does the details of post incident review contain? It contains the types of incidents, volumes of incidents and malfunctions, costs incurred during the incidents. Incident management reporting. It is a clear source for providing continual improvement to the ISMS. A16.1.7 that is collection of evidence. The control states that the organization shall define and apply procedures for identification, collection, acquisition, and preservation of information which can serve as an evidence. The collection of evidence for a potential investigation or an internal audit must be approached with care. Internal audit, as specified, must be contacted immediately for guidance, and strict processes must be followed for the collection of forensic evidence. This topic, thank you.